Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House in County Wexford. Today we're actually going to use our air fryer. We are doing General Tso today, which is like an oriental crispy chicken with a lovely kind of spicy sauce to go with it. It's quite delicious and it works extremely well in the air fryer. So the first thing we're going to do is we have 3 cloves of garlic. This is kind of nice because it's kind of sweet and sour, so it's delicious, and particularly when you've got that crispy chicken. Really interesting. What's that?
You have a few hello coming up from Durham, from Dublin again, Rat, some kind of other places.
Excellent. Well, you're all very welcome, and we're delighted that you join us each day at 2 o'clock here live from Dunbrody House, which is really good. So I just put a chilli in. I've got a Scotch bonnet chilli here. So we're just going to cut those up. A little bit of oil in the pan. Get that going in there. So once that starts going, then I want you to put in a little bit of soy sauce in there, a little bit of chili jam, a little bit of sake, a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Loads going on.
Yeah, there's a few people are saying that they always order this in their takeaway, so they never realize how to do it.
Oh, it smells so good. A little bit of vegetable stock going in there. Just going to let that go to the boil while that's working away. Here's your chickens. We've just done the chicken into small pieces.
It's quite a lot.
The chili's gone. Poor Julian. So we just shredded the chicken. Put the chicken into the egg wash. Just kind of coat your chicken in the egg. And then this is corn flour and baking powder mixed. And you want to coat that in the corn flour and the baking powder. So we're just going to put the chicken pieces. Make sure you kind of separate them out a bit. Put that on. Press air crisp for 12 minutes. So I've got some corn flour in a bowl here. You're going to add a little bit of water to that. Stir that around so it's dissolved. Look at that there. See the way that's lovely and thick? So you look at this chicken now. I'm going to take this one out. As you can see, it's really nice and crispy.
How long did you put them in for?
Put them in for 12 minutes. Oh, Julian. I know it's hard for you, but get it close enough. Really, really good.
People are saying that it looks really, really tasty.
Oh yeah, it is. A little bit of rice in your bowl. Delish. Look at that for a fantastic dish.